Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to do Boomerang Snap on Snapchat. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. So today's video, how to do Boomerang on Snapchat. So if you want to upload a Boomerang Snap on Snapchat, then there is not really a Boomerang feature on Snapchat, but you can do it by downloading the Boomerang application from Play Store. Then open this Boomerang application and then you can simply record a video, a normal video. So you see then it is edited into Boomerang, and then you can see there is the share icon with more over here at the bottom. Tap on that and then you can tap on the Snapchat icon, then it will share to Snapchat. So this Boomerang is now ready to be shared in your Snapchat. This has opened in your Snapchat. You can edit it if you want to edit this more. Otherwise you can simply enter this and tap on send to send and share your snap to your friends and anyone. So choose your friends and then you can tap on the send button, and therefore your snap is being sent to your friends that you have chosen, and therefore in this way you can create and share Boomerang snaps on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to make Boomerang snap on Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comments